So I'm sure everyone has heard by now that the grocery stores are out of baby food. It's hard to find, and when you can find it, it is expensive. But don't worry, I have 2 guaranteed foolproof tricks that will help you get baby food for your precious baby. Step 1. Be Ukrainian. Turns out our government sent pallets and pallets and tons of baby food to Ukraine. Ukraine is not a member of NATO. Ukraine is not an ally. But their babies are more important than your babies. Now, step 2, be an immigrant. Because our government has also decided to send pallets and pallets and pallets of baby food to the people that just stumbled across our border. They get baby food, yours don't. There's a picture of a tweet here from Kat Kamek, Republican from Florida. She's taken pictures of the immigrant stations, and they're fully stocked. Yours aren't. She says this is what policies look like with an America Last platform. Now, somebody had an America First platform, but that was some different guy. So if this has affected you, and you're mad, you have every right to be. I don't think they're talking about this on mainstream news, but when you have to come home and look at your starving baby and just shake your head and go, why is this happening? Biden's policies is why this is happening. It's not Putin's fault. It's not Trump's fault. This is Joe Biden's fault. You point directly at him and you explain that to your starving, crying baby. So if any of this is news to you, take a heaping spoonful of Similac and drizzle it all over that subscribe button. Then go away. I'll see you tomorrow.